Welcome to a new video of the Solutions Journal. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and leave us a like and comment. Well folks, today we're going to learn how to use keyframes in Capcut PC, so let's get started. The first thing to do is to go to our Capcut and there attach some video or image. As you can see on the top right-hand side of the screen, you will see options when you click on the video or image. Here, the frame option appears. For example, to make attractive zooms, we are going to press this option, then we go to our video or image, and we go ahead a little from the created frame, then we make a little zoom to the image, and this would be the result. As you saw, guys, is quite attractive. We can also do it with texts, for example. Here we will see how. It would be the same way as with images or videos. Well, friends, as you saw, it was a very simple tutorial. If you served, you leave a like and see you in the next video. I send you a greeting. Bye.